myself Jyoti Mahekar, and this is part 16 of Legends of the Physics World. What are the major problems with science in India? So, the first problem is we lack in scientific temper or that scientific environment among most of us. Second, we failed to appreciate our own scientists who contributed immensely to science, whereas the whole world admired their contribution. Most of them remain a hidden figure in their own homeland. Nobel Prize in Physics 2020. We all know that the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences awarded one half of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics to Roger Penrose and the other half jointly to Genzel and Gies for furthering the understanding of black holes, the most enigmatic objects in the universe. But not a lot of people know that his journey to the discovery had a connection to India, connection to Kolkata to be exact, and his discovery stands on the foundation of the work of Indian physicist Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhuri. Yes, he is the person Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhuri. Have you heard him before? Have you heard about him before? If you are or were not a student of cosmology, maximum chance is you haven't heard about him. But why it is so? Does only physics students know about Einstein and Stephen Hawking? No, right? Then why we don't know Indian physicists like Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhuri? Stephen Hawking and Einstein admired him. Stephen Hawking admired Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhuri many times. In fact, his doctoral thesis, Properties of Expanding Universe, used Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhuri's findings to find out the behavior of black holes and other aspects of cosmology. In 1915, Albert Einstein amazed the world with his general theory of relativity that transformed the understanding of nature of space and time, and it also gave a new perspective of classical physics. Since then, it is one of the most successful theories which is universally accepted and can explain a plethora of physical phenomena like bending of light, black holes, expanding universe, and many more. However, one area where general theory of relativity seems to break down is in singularity. So, what is a singularity? A singularity is a point or region of infinite mass density at which space and time are infinitely distorted by gravitational forces and which is held to be the final state of matter falling into a black hole. Singularities were first proposed by Albert Einstein as a result of the theory of general relativity. He was quite worried about the appearances of singularities. He was looking for some way out of this. Rai-Chaudhuri equation. In general relativity, the Rai-Chaudhuri equation plays a significant role to explain the space-time singularities and gravitational focusing properties in cosmology. He aimed to address the fundamental question of singularity in the most simple and general form with no reference to any symmetry and any specific property of space-time and energy distribution. This is the contribution of Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhuri. Roger Penrose. The first mention of the term Rai-Chaudhuri equation appeared in a research paper published in 1965 by George Ellis and Stephen Hawking. The Rai-Chaudhuri equation hit the zenith of fame as it was a key tool in the hands of young relativists like Stephen Hawking and Roger Penrose in the middle of the late 1960s in their attempt to answer the question on the existence of space-time singularities and to explain the theory of universe. In fact, Rai-Chaudhuri equation is important as a fundamental lemma for the Penrose-Hawking singularity theorem. So, Rai-Chaudhuri equation, it is that important. there is such a wide acceptability of this equation, like other notable equations in physics like the Dirac equation and Schrodinger equation, that nobody cares about its origin or date of publication. The Raychaudhuri equation paved the way for later research into singularity problem. It will find its place in vulnerable textbooks on general relativity and relativistic cosmology. The equation will stand firm so long Einstein's general theory of relativity stands. The equation remains a prime tool to investigate the behavior of black hole horizons. One would wonder if there is any research work of such grade to have emerged in post independent India. So, what is his life story? Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhary married Nomita Sen in 1958 and had two sons and two daughters. He used to lead a simple life. Till the end of life, he was always busy in writing books, teaching, and his research work. His last paper published in the year 2004, just 1 year before his death. Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhary died on 18th June 2005. Till his last day, he had a very positive outlook towards life, a strong sense of honesty and integrity. The kind of scientific work he had done despite all the adverse and challenging situations that time is an inspiration for scientists all over the world. He was a living example who showed a scientist's biggest asset is his invincible curiosity and quest for self learning. It's high time. I mean, we are everyone is talking about Roger Penrose Nobel Prize in Physics, about existence of black hole and all, but hardly anyone knows that the foundation of this Nobel Prize in 2020, it is on the shoulders of Indian physicist Amal Kumar Rai Chaudhary. It's a high time. It's a high time we appreciate our scientists and bring them to limelight so that they don't remain a lesser known figure always. Thank you. Thank you so much.